Okay, let's talk. Okay, because if you ever looked at a $27 product and thought, how could this tiny little thing ever change my life? Baby, this video is for you. Okay, because I've learned how to turn a simple $27 digital product into $500 days without running ads, without a big audience, and without being glued to my phone 24/7. Let me show you how I did it, okay? So you can do it too. You ready? Let's go. Listen, I used to think that digital products had to be $297 or more to make real money. That's what I kept hearing online. Now, let me preface this to say your girl got a $599 product too. Okay. So I'm not saying to you that $27 products is all the way where it's at. But I'm the girl that's going to preach to you that you need both of them. Okay. You need a higher selling one that you sell on the front end of your business. All right. That you drive traffic to. Then you also need the tiny ones too. Because those tiny ones can bring some income. Okay. Strategically, you got to do this strategic. Okay. One thing about your girl, she's a strategic thinker. So I don't do things just to do things. There's a method to my madness. So as a soft life girly, yes, being strategic is one of our strong points. Okay. So we don't do things just to be doing things. So just let me, I had to bring that caveat. Okay. Before we get into the juicy details. Now, I don't have a huge team. Okay. I don't have a lot of tech. I don't like doing a lot of tech things. Okay. I like a business that's simple. Okay. I'm a mom, my homeschool mom, a wife, I'm a homemaker. So I like making money the easy way. So I came across a done for you $27 digital product that already had the value built in. And I said, let me see what it's about. Okay. But what I always want and what I always preach here on my YouTube channel, we like simple things. We like things that work, right? And that $27 product, it ended up being a back end product for my business that I made some sales in. Okay. So it's not like a front end product. You won't even see me talk about it. The only reason I'm talking about it today, because I want to help the soft life girlies. But plus I also have something for you. I have something for you that's going to help you to get that start in your digital business. But I want to lay that foundation and say that, listen, there's money out here, okay? But I use the $27 strategy in the back end of my business, okay? So perfectly on my email list. Okay, so these are the steps you're going to need to get started. And again, I want you to make sure you stay to the end because I have something special for you that's really, really going to help you, okay? So this is what I call my soft life start path. And first of all, you want to build a digital business from home, whether it's a $27 product or not. You got to define what your soft life means to you. Okay. Before I made my first $500 a day, I got clear on what soft life looked like for me. I wanted mornings where I wasn't rushed. I wanted income that did not feel heavy. I want to work in alignment. Okay. I don't like being exhausted. I don't like being all the places and doing all the things. So you got to ask yourself, what does soft life look like for me? What is that vision? Because if you don't have the vision to move forward, then everything else is not going to be in alignment, if that makes sense. So set your vision, take 10 minutes today and figure out what does soft life mean to you in your own words. Journal that out. Because I promise you, when you know this, it does set the tone for everything. It set the tone for me. So there are certain things that I'm not doing in my business because it's not classified as soft life for me. It's not a soft business. I'm not creating from scratch. That's not soft to me. To me, that's a headache. Okay. Waiting to happen. Okay. I like purchasing products that can not only be beneficial to my audience, to the soft life girlies, but also I purchase products that I know will sell, right? That will make me money. Step two, once you figure out what your vision is, then you want to go ahead and invest in a product with potential. Okay. I didn't create the product from scratch. Of course not. I just bought a shortcut. That's what I do. Okay. I have a high value, ready to sell digital product. Okay. And I have them in my business. My highest one is $599, but I have some $27 ones that lead to the potential of getting the higher ones. So it's like a gateway offer, because even some of the women that purchased my $27 product on my email list became a customer and decided to purchase the business for $599. So you see how that works. So you can do the same. You can purchase a $27 digital product, in which, again, today, you don't even have to purchase anything from me today. Okay. I'm going to give it to you. Yes. So you can get that and you can learn from it, grow from it, and you can take that same product and make you some money. So you can call it, like I call it, a gateway offer, something small that builds trust and opens the door to deeper transformation and deeper income. Again, if you even here on my YouTube, I don't talk about this enough. I have a shop right here, right below this video. You'll see some products that I have. Most of them are priced at $27, $47 bundles that I have. Those products, not only you can learn from, but you can earn from. So you can take those same products and you can create them for yourself. But what they all lead to, what? My higher ticket product, which is $599, because when you get that puts everything together. So you see where I'm going? That's why I said a $27 product is not bad, but you don't want it to be the only thing you're selling. You want it to look at it like a gateway to something bigger. When I look at some $500 days that I have, they don't always come from stacking 18 sales. Sometimes they come from just a $27 product, which is positioned in a smart way of doing business. Okay, so I teach you all of those things, girl. I got you covered. All right. So step 3, you want to be the product. Okay, I use what I sold. Okay, I learned it, I lived it, I share it. That $27 product becomes a part of my story. And that's why it's sold, because people see why, or people buy what they can feel. All right. And when you believe in what you're offering, you don't sell, you serving. Selling is the highest form of serving. Okay. And listen, takes a mindset shift that I had too. Okay. When it comes to sales, I'm serving. Like even now, I'm serving you in this video. Right. And there's going to be some of you that say, hey, listen, let me get that product she talking about, because I want that too. Okay. So just like it worked for me, it's definitely going to work for you. Step 4, you're going to choose one platform and you're going to be prolific. This is not the time to say, I don't want to create content. This is your job. Okay. Your job is to create content. I pick YouTube and I show up every day. And I don't show up here to be perfect, but it's a purpose. It's strategy, right? I share what I'm learning, what's working for me, what's clicking. And here's the thing. One video can keep selling for you over and over again. This video here is going to live on my YouTube channel. So next year, if a woman sees this video and she likes it, what is she going to do? She's going to buy. Okay. That's soft life income all day long. That's why I love YouTube. Okay? I know I told you to pick a platform, but I strongly suggest something like YouTube, because the videos live on. Okay. It's not like social media platforms where people can look at a video and they may not follow you. They may not see another video from you, unless the way these platforms are working now, they're really heavy on, the algorithms are changing. So people are going to watch things that, if they watch that type of video, they're going to watch more of your videos and other people too, so take that into account. That's why I like YouTube. Like, YouTube is my place, because I like evergreen. I like making money in my sleep. And I know in order to do that, I need to have content out there working for me. So let me give you an example, okay, of how you can have a $27 product becomes a $500 day, okay? So let's say you have a $27 digital product. That's the entry offer. That's what you're selling in your content. And then you can have a $97 upsell. and then maybe have a $297 membership offer. And then you can have a $79 reoccurring offer. Not saying you have to have these. I want to give you that example and what that could look like. Like one person could easily go through the system and spend $500 because they feel served and not sold to. Okay, so one person can spend $500 with you. Not saying they'll do it right at the same time, but in a period of time. So think about if you had 100 people go through that same funnel, then absolutely that's how that works, right? But on the other end, um, I, you'll see when you get the free product that I want to share with you, I'm gifting you. That can be your $27 digital product if you wanted to, right? And you can kind of follow that simply, or it can be, like I said, an entry gateway to the $599 product that I have as well. So you could be a woman and say, you know what, I'm going to get that free one. I'm going to turn that into income and see that it's working, because it's going to work. Because it's a valuable guide. People learn from it, and then you can earn from, you're getting money from it. I'm handing you money. And then they may see how I strategically put inside the guide that you could get access to the $599 product. And that digital product right there is like the holy grail. That's what you're learning all of these digital marketing skills. You're getting the mentorship, all those things for $599. So you could go through the same thing. You see how that works and how it compounds. So if you are ready to start your own soft life business, again, I want to introduce you to my free master guide that I created just for you. Okay. I call it the Start Your Own Soft Life Business Master Guide. Here's the thing. It's not just a guide that you're going to read and throw away. It's a full income opportunity. You'll learn how to launch your own digital product, show you how to create it. You can do that this week. And here's the thing. You can take that same guide and earn 100% of the profits. So you can go in there and add your own brand and you can resell it. So I want you to go to mysoftlife.biz.com, get your system set up. I'll show you how to do that. Get your digital product and get it up and running. Yes, I'm gifting that to you. You're welcome. Because I know this is going to help more women to get started fast, is which I love to do. I love to be a helpful resource, and this is a resource, so don't waste it. Okay? It's free right now. I can put a price tag on it, but I really want to help more women. I want you to see how you can really make a great living online being a reseller, reselling other people's things. Sometimes, you can license them. Sometimes you can be a good affiliate marketer as well. I know I don't use affiliate marketing term a lot, but we show you how to get affiliate income too without being everywhere. How you can strategically, I even show you in the guide, how you can strategically make affiliate income as well. The potential is out there. You just got to know how to put it together, and no worries, I got you. In the guide, I put a video in there as well that I show you how to get your product set up fast using a system absolutely for free. Yes, I got you. Okay. So don't let me down. Once you download it, come back over here, comment, let me know that you got it. Once you get your digital product set up, put your price tag on it. Okay. I don't want you to get this away for free. Okay. If you're going to resell it, I want you to sell it. I want you to make money. Okay. Price it at $27. No less than $27. I advise $47. Price it. Go out here, get on your platform, make content, and make that money, girl. Okay. Make that money. And I promise you, you're going to want to build that digital business, that $599, and you'll be able to see. Watch. Girl, I don't want you to underestimate the small beginnings. Okay? That product that I gifted you, that little $27 product, it might be your open door for bigger days. Okay? So if you're ready to trade that complicated and get over here in the lane of the clarity, girl, let's do this soft life thing for real. For real, for real. And I want you to go grab that master guide, all right? And don't let me down. I want to see you make some money, honey. Okay. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Make sure you hype me up, girl. Hype me up. There's a hype button. Hype me up so we can get this out to more soft life girlies so they can make their money too. I got the product that is ready for you. All right. I'll see you in the next video, girl. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.